Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making a nourishing and unique drink that not only tastes amazing but is also great for your gut health. Postbiotic job tears and Azuki tea. This recipe is packed with wholesome ingredients and of course the power of our Koso to keep your digestive system happy and healthy. Let's dive right in. Here's what you need for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of jove tears, 2 tablespoons of Azuki beans, 1 mandarin orange, 2 cups of water, and our Koso. If you are using original, 2 tablespoons, and if you are using lower sugar version, you need 4 teaspoons. Each ingredient has its own special benefit for your gut and overall health. Let me explain why they are so amazing. Jove tears. This ancient grain, also known as Chinese pearlberry, is packed with fiber and antioxidants. The high fiber content helps promote regular digestion and feed the good bacteria in your gut, acting as a prebiotic. It also contains compounds that support your immune system, making it perfect for staying healthy during the colder months. It is used in traditional herbal medicine as an anti-inflammatory agent to help alleviate pain and numbness, making it effective for conditions such as arthritis and rheumatism. Recent studies also suggest its potential benefit in reducing allergies and improving atopic dermatitis. Azuki beans are fantastic for gut health because their fiber helps maintain regular digestion and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Plus, they have a naturally sweet flavor that makes this tea extra comforting and delicious. Now let's talk about mandarin orange. Mandarin oranges are a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. The natural sweetness and citrusy aroma will infuse our tea with a refreshing flavor while also adding digestive benefit. Finally, our Koso. This Japanese fermented drink is rich in nutrients such as prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. These nutrients help balance your gut microbiome, improve digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. Adding Koso to this tea turns it into a gut health powerhouse that's perfect for winter wellness. This tea is so simple to make. Rinse the jove tears and Azuki beans under cold water, then soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to soften them. This step helps make them easier to cook and digest. Add the soaked jove tears, Azuki beans, mandarin orange, and 2 cups of water to a pot. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 1 hour or until the Azuki beans are soft and tender. The slow simmering process will bring out the natural sweetness of the beans and orange while creating a soothing aromatic tea. Let the mixture cool down to a warm temperature, then stir in 2 tablespoons of Koso. It's important to add Koso after the tea has cooled to maximize the benefit. Stir well and it's ready to serve. Serve your postbiotic jove tears and Azuki tea warm in your favorite mug. This drink is cozy, nourishing, and packed with gut-loving ingredients that support digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Cheers to a healthy gut and happy winter season. This recipe is a wonderful way to take care of your digestive health while enjoying something warm and comforting. Don't forget to try it and let us know what you think in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gut-friendly recipes with Earth Koso. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.